In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable vibrations on Roblox. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, to enable or to disable vibrations, go ahead and log into your Roblox account and then tap on More. From More, scroll down until you see this option called Settings. Now under Settings, head to Device Preferences, and if you scroll down, look for this option called Haptics. This controls the overall vibration of Roblox. Currently, you can see it is turned on, and for my case, whenever I play games, they will always be accompanied by vibrations. However, if you want to switch this off, you can go ahead and toggle it off, and this will turn it off. So you can switch this on and off as you wish. So that's how you can enable or disable vibrations on Roblox. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.